Imagine a truck that looks like it just rolled out of a military concept studio, but still carries the legendary toughness the F-150 Raptor is known for. The 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor Black takes everything enthusiasts already love about the Raptor and wraps it in an even more aggressive, stealth-inspired design. From its intimidating stance to its premium cabin and incredible off-road capability, this truck is built for drivers who want power, luxury, and presence all in one package. Whether you're heading into the wilderness or pulling up in the city, the Raptor Black demands attention before the engine even starts. The first thing you'll notice is its bold blacked-out appearance. Every detail is designed to create a sinister look, from the dark grille, with signature LED lighting to the smoked headlights and black Ford badging. Massive, all-terrain tires wrap around gloss black alloy wheels, giving the truck a planted and muscular stance. Wide fenders, functional hood vents, and aggressive skid plates emphasize that this isn't just a cosmetic package. It's built to tackle serious terrain. The black finish perfectly complements the truck's rugged personality, while redesigned LED taillights and dual performance exhaust outlets give the rear an equally commanding presence. It's a truck that looks just as impressive covered in mud as it does parked under city lights. Step inside and the cabin feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. Premium leather and suede trimmed seats feature unique black stitching and Raptor embroidery, creating a sporty yet upscale atmosphere. Heated and ventilated front seats provide year-round comfort, while generous rear seat space makes long trips enjoyable for passengers. A massive digital instrument cluster pairs with a large touchscreen infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and advanced voice controls. A premium sound system fills the cabin with crystal clear audio and multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates ensure the technology stays modern. High-quality materials cover nearly every surface, making the interior refined without sacrificing durability. Under the hood, the 2027 F-150 Raptor Black is expected to continue using a high-output twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6 producing around 450 horsepower, while rumors suggest an even more powerful version could be available for performance enthusiasts. Power is delivered through a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced 4-wheel drive system designed to conquer nearly any environment. Fast live valve shocks, long travel suspension, and multiple terrain management modes allow the truck to confidently handle sand, rocks, mud, snow, and high-speed desert trails. Despite its size, steering feels surprisingly responsive, while improved suspension tuning keeps the ride comfortable on everyday roads. Whether towing heavy equipment, climbing steep hills, or cruising the highway, the Raptor Black delivers confidence with every mile. Safety remains a major priority, with advanced driver assistance features expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, trailer backup assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies make daily driving easier while providing extra confidence during towing and off-road adventures. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor Black is expected to start around $90,000, depending on optional equipment and market conditions. While it sits at the premium end of the pickup segment, buyers receive an unmatched combination of performance, luxury, advanced technology, and legendary off-road capability. For those who want a truck that dominates both the trail and the street, the 2027 Ford F-150 Raptor Black stands as one of the most exciting, high-performance pickups on the market. It isn't just built to go anywhere. It makes every journey unforgettable.